Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's class. Today I will teach you how to make this fashion hijab. You can see it is beautiful. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. So to my old subscriber, don't forget to like this video and tap notification bell so that I can be notified when we upload new video. Thank you. Let's get started. So for this hijab, yeah, I will make use of light crepe material. So a yard of light crepe material. Consider this crepe material. So you need your scissors, staple, chalk. So this is the material I want to use. A yard of crepe material. So you open it. So this a yard of crepe material. Then fold it like this. So this material is usually by 60. So fold it. So I need about 9 inches for the wideness. You can see that it is unfold. For the length, I need 18 inches. So I measure 9 inches unfold by 18 inches. So you can. So this side, I measure 5.5 inches for the face opening. So I will roll this side. So I'll measure 2 inches from the down part. Then I will roll it. So measure 2 inches. Then you make a curve just to shape the down part. So you note the center, then you curve it to that 2 inches. So after that, you connect it from the 5.5 inches at up to that 2 inches at down. So it is as simple as this. So this is how to cut Rana hijab. So if you don't have basic knowledge of Rana hijab, you can check it on my channel. Just type Rana hijab Dara's classic apparel. So I have better understanding of this. So I'll cut it out. So I'm just trying to trim the design edge. So this is for the front piece. So I'm going to cut the back piece now. So this face opening. So the remaining cloth, I'll fold it into 2. So I'll place the front piece to cut out the back piece. So you leave about 4 inches at down, so the back piece will be longer than the front piece. So leave about 4 inches from where the front piece stops. So I'm going to trace it like this. So at the front piece, the face opening for the back, I'm going to measure 7 inches. So if you want to put elastic in this hijab, so you can measure 7. We measure 5.5 inches for the front piece. So you can measure 7 inches for both the front piece and the back piece. So if you want to put elastic, but in this tutorial, I don't want to put elastic. That's why I measure 5.5 for the front piece and 7 inches for the back piece for the face opening. So there is slant the side like this. Then you shape it out, shape the back, shape the down parts. You shape the down parts. Sorry, you can decide to shape it as well. Just shape it to where the front piece stop. So later in this tutorial, I later trim the down part for the back to meet the front piece at the side. So I'm cutting out the shocking I made. So this is for the back piece. So this is the front piece and the back piece. So I'm not going to put elastic at the down part of the face opening of this hijab. So for the back with extension, so it cuts 25 inches by 25 inches. So I'm going to shape the down part. So I measured 25 inches by 25 inches and I folded it into two. You can see you have this side is 25 inches and this side too is 25 inches. Then you fold it into two. So I'm going to shape the down part. So I measure about 2.5 inches, but I later trim the down part to make the front part. So I note the center, then I shape the down parts. So this is the back extension, back with extension. So this for the back piece and this the front piece. You can see it is very easy to understand, to cut. Assalamu alaikum. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. So and tap notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new video. To my returning subscriber, I say Jazakumullah Karen. So this side I'm going to stitch it. So I'm going to the other side I'll stitch the extension with it. For this side I'm going to stitch only the front piece and the back piece. So to the other side I'll take it like this. So I'll place it on the back the back with extension. So I'll place it on the back piece. Then you take it like this. You might have stitched the other side, so you not stitch the extension with this side, only the front piece and the back piece. So the other side here, you stitch the front piece, the back with extension, then the back piece, front piece, back piece, and back with extension. So I'm going to show you how to cut the cap. I'm going to fix the cap to it. So I'm doing this for beginners. By now you should know how to cut the cap. So I measure 5.5. So I don't want it to be too long. So I measure 5.5 and I fold that into two. Measure 5.5. Then I'm going to slant it like this. So let me cut it slightly because of beginners. So you can cut, for beginners, you can cut 8 inches by 11 inches. 8 inches by 11 inches. Then you fold it into two, then into four. You can see it is very easy to cut. Then you slant like this. Just slant it this way, then you cut it out. So this is how to cut your cap. Very easy. So this is the job of stitch this side with the back parts, the front piece and the back piece. So I've stitched the side. So you can see I will still need to trim it to make the front piece, the down part of the front piece. So I'm going to chuck it this way. Take it like this. Then I'm going to trim it. So I'll curve the down parts. So I'm going to place the back with extension. So this is the right side. This is the right side. So place the wrong side of the extension. You place it on the back piece. The wrong side of the extension, the back with extension, with the right side of the back piece. You can see where I place it. This is the back piece. This back with extension. So this is the front piece. So I'll place it like this. Right side of the front piece facing the right side of the extension. This is the back piece, so that I can understand it very well. So I will explain the right side of the front and back piece. So I'll place the extension, the wrong side of the extension, I'll place it on the back piece. one side of the back with extension. I'll place it on the right side of the back piece. Then I'll take it like this. So right side of the front piece will face the right side of the back with extension. That will stitch. So I've done that already. So this is what you should have. So I've stitched it. So you turn it to the right side. So I'm going to shape the down of the back with extension to meet the front and back piece. You can see just not the center. Then you shape the down part. So you can cut it together like this. Just shape it and cut it like this. But in this video, I first of all cut this side and see the shape. So shape the down part. So I later cut the other side too. So you can decide to cut it together. So I shape the other side. Yes. So we are almost done. So we are getting there. You can see. So I want to attach the back piece with the back with extension at the upper part. This is the face opening. So where the joining stop, you start from where the joining stop to the other side where you joined. So this is the joining part. So you stitch it down by 1/4 inch. So after that, I'll fix the cap. So I'll fix the cap. I'll fix the cap. So this is the down part. You can see the face opening. So I'm going to top stitch down the face opening so that it will be neat. Just top stitch down. So you touch it, top stitch around the face opening. Then you overlock the down part. So you overlock it and you have this. So this is the outcome. You can see it is lovely. So to enjoy and learn more tutorial like this, so try to subscribe to my channel and tap notification bell. Give me thumbs up. Yes, give me thumbs up. Share this video. Thank you. See you in my next tutorial. Masala.